Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video I will teach you how to add a watermark to your Canva image or to an image in Canva. So first of all, we can just add and create a new project here. Say we have a custom YouTube thumbnail here. Then here we would have to upload which image you have. For example, we have some images here, and maybe we can choose an image. So we'll just go here and select an image. For example, we want this one. This would be our image. Drag it to full there. So how do we add a watermark now? So here we can just go here and magic right. Just press add a watermark here. So here we'll show some of the signs. But for me, the easiest is we go here, add a text box, get a maybe a bold one. So let's say Martin photography. So maybe see, this is your watermark. But how do we put to a better one? So we use transparency, and you can see now that it blends with the image. There we go. Or you can just put it somewhere good. So now we have our watermark, or you can also insert your logo here, or maybe MGT. There's our watermark. Then just share and download as PNG for a better quality. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the bell button for more Canva tips and tricks to come. Once again, thank you for watching.